What's going on, everyone? It's Sal over at HappyPennyStocks.com. Sign up for the newsletter. Always do your own due diligence. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you two reasons why you should be investing with me. Number one, it's free. I am the only stock promoter on the internet right now who's, number one, bold enough to actually say that. I'm bold enough to actually say that because I don't ever want anybody to think that I'm doing anything else but promoting stocks. That is what I'm doing. I don't want anybody to have any kind of confusion. I am not a licensed professional. I don't have a Series 7. I do not have any of those licenses. I don't want anybody to believe that or to be confused with that. I want to be honest about what I'm doing. I'm raising the price of stocks. I'm about creating value where there is no value for you and my benefit. See, here's how my system works. When I raise the price of a stock because you invest with me, all right, we're like a group of investors. We hop onto a stock, and that stock goes from literally nothing to something, okay? On the way up, there are thousands and millions of computers all around the world, okay? And these computers have parameters set, okay, to identify stocks that have certain amounts of momentum. We created that momentum, but that computer doesn't understand that that is superficial momentum. All it sees, all right, is a stock headed to the moon. That computer triggers thousands of dollars, sometimes millions of dollars in purchasing power to purchase that stock that we jumped on. And because of that, we stand to gain a substantial amount of money. And this isn't just one computer. These are computers all around the world, folks. See, profit is sought after. And people are willing to invest almost blindly, all right, into these products, into these stocks, okay? And the way we win is by creating the volume, right? We created the volume, and that pressure to become a part of that grows as the stock price grows. So here we are invested in this stock, and they see that ticker going to the moon. It is climbing 100, 200, 300%. They're standing at their computer. They don't know what the hell is going on. And then there they go. They said, you know what? I don't want to miss out on this. $5,000, buy. And that's how me and you benefit, because that's not done one time. That's done thousands of times. And we were there first, so we take that money and we put it in a pocket. That's how my system works. That is the reason why you should be investing with me, because I create the momentum. And with you joining me, you're able to benefit from that momentum as well, because we create that. We're the ones walking into the profit first. Everybody else, they're the ones late, because guess what? Not everybody's going to get my email. Not everybody's going to see this video. They're only going to see on the computer screen that a stock is up 300%, and they don't know what the hell is going on. A second reason to invest with me is that I'm honest about what I'm doing. It's not illegal. I've just figured out something that honestly was always there, but I'm the first person to actually decide, you know what, I'm going to run with this. I'm going to run with this. I'm not going to hide anything that I'm doing from anybody else. I'm just going to run with it. And I hope that you're willing to understand where my system or how my system works, and you can invest with me and benefit from that. And many of you have benefited from that. This works. And what's exciting about it is that as my subscriber list grows, my influence grows, there's going to be a point in time that even penny stocks are too small for me. There's going to be a part in time where I'm going to have to go to the NASDAQ or to the Dow, because OTC will be too large. My purchasing power will be too large for the over-the-counter market. So I'm only going to get better over time. That's why it's so important for you guys to subscribe to my newsletter, follow up with what I'm doing, and invest in the stocks that I tell you guys to invest in. Because whether or not the stock is going to be up is not the question. The question is by how much. Look at my previous plays. CTTG, SPMI, AHFD, CFGX, ATWT, some of my old plays. You go and look at what I did to those stocks. 200, 300%. That was typical. CTTG almost 2,000%. And I'll never stop talking about that stock, because that stock, honestly, I thought it wouldn't go 150%. And then to look back and say that our high was the day was 2,300%, that is incredible. I will never stop talking about that. Ladies and gentlemen, the reasons to invest with me are many, and I can sit here and talk about all day. But the fact of the matter is, I just want you to compare. Compare the returns that I've been giving the people who invest with me, and compare those returns to what you're getting with the guy on the corner at Schwab. Compare those returns to what you're getting on your 401k. Compare those returns to what you're getting on that corner liquor store with the lotto tickets. Go and compare. This is gambling. I understand. I know it's gambling. This isn't something, these are not stocks that you're going to retire on. But if you can make an extra $20,000 this year, why not? Take the risk. This is LaSalle from HappyPennyStocks.com. Take care, guys. Have a great evening. Sign up for the newsletter. More success to come, guys. We've got a lot of profit out there to take advantage of, and we're going to do it. Take care.